guys, welcome on track. One of our after work drift evenings going on. Hope you can hear me. As you can see, guys are drifting around here. It's just a small track, but it's fun nevertheless, and it's like the only thing we have in the area. So people can come in Friday evening, enjoy themselves, have some fun. So right, let's go into the action and see what people are doing. The track, there's a lot of stones, people going into the gravel pits, getting stuff on the track, and as you can see, there's a lot of other people standing around, guys on motorbikes doing their drills, so we don't want to have any kind of stones flying around. So yeah, it's now 7:30, so 30 minutes left on the clock. So I will do 2 or 3 more laps, and then I'll let the clients go have some more fun. And I'll do some more filming for you guys. It's early in the morning. Unfortunately, the battery went dead on us at our afterwork drift evening. So I just want to wrap it up. It was a good evening. I think everybody had fun. So far we didn't get any complaints from the neighbors. The manager of the venue was okay how we did it. He was cool with it. Yeah, so it was good. I hope you all stay safe. I hope to see you soon. If anything, hit us up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop something in the comments. See you soon. Bye bye.